So, hi guys! Welcome again sa ating Let's Do QuickBooks tutorial. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon guys is magre-record tayo ng honors withdrawal and honors contributions. And as you can see dito sa bank transactions natin guys, sa Revolut 0605, meron ditong electronic deposit from Clint Garnier. So, as you can see, wala namang naka-indicate na account number. Pero kung titignan natin yung SOA report guys, dito sa 0605, may naka-indicate siya dito na amount received na 3,000. Then, yung nature ng transactions niya is contribution. So, for us to do that guys, para ma-record natin siya as contribution, so punta lang tayo sa chart of account, transactions, chart of account, then click new. Pwede rin naman direct na ron guys, pero itong tinuturo ko lang is if ever na magi-start pa lang kayo. So, ang nakalagay doon is owner's contribution. So, yung account type niya guys is equity since inad natin siya as equity. Owner's equity. Then, detail type niya guys is owner's equity. Then, save lang natin to guys. Okay. So, once na nandito na tayo sa cost of sales or balik tayo sa transactions. Then, punta tayo sa bank transactions. Then, click natin tong kay Clint Garnier. So, nakalagay deposit. So, account type niya guys, hanapin natin si owner's contribution. Okay? Then, add. So, ganun lang kadali mag-add ng owner's contribution. So, yun lang sa ngayon guys, and see you again sa iba pa nating mga transactions. By the way guys, ang ginawa ko na lang is dapat isang video lang to, lahat-lahat na ng ng categorization, match, and transfer. Ang ginawa ko na lang is spinner video ko na lang para na gusto nyo siyang balikan. Kiklik nyo lang kung ano yung gusto nyong topic na balikan. Instead na tawag doon, balik or instead na ikat-cut nyo pa yung mga videos natin. So, yun lang sa ngayon guys. Thank you.